I'm going to quickly show you how we can use the do while loop within our code. So imagine there's a program that tells the user a secret message, but they can only get the secret message if the user gets the right password. So the user can guess what the password is as many times as they want, but they won't see what the secret message is until they get that password correct. So let's say that the password is password123. That's the correct password. And now we want to actually get some input from the user. So let's go ahead and add our import java.util scanner so we can use the scanner and make our own. So we're going to make a new scanner. We're going to pass in system.in here. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our do while loop now. So what we want to happen over and over again, and at least once, is for the user to be asked what they think the password is. And then we're going to go ahead and retrieve that from the user. So we're going to do scan.next line. And we're going to have an actual string for what the user is guessing. So let's put user guess. So we're going to set user guess to whatever they actually type in. And we're going to do this one time. So we're going to try it one time, and then we're going to continue trying while the user's guess is not equal to password123. So that's going to say keep asking them what the password is until they get the password right. So in Java, you would think to put equals equals and then just put password here. However, you'll learn later, I will definitely discuss this later when we talk about classes and objects and the differences between primitive and non-primitive types. But for now, just know that whenever we want to compare two strings to each other, we should, instead of using the equal equal, use the dot equals and put it in parentheses, the other string. So what we'll do is we'll get one string, we'll put dot equals, and we'll get the other one. So this is going to determine whether or not two strings are equal to each other. And we want to keep doing this while this is not true. So we'll want to negate this. So we're going to keep checking and asking what the password is while the user's guess, whatever they inputted as what they think the password is, does not equal whatever the real password is. So it's going to keep asking for the password until you get the right password. And then after this whole do while loop, we're going to actually give the secret message. So we won't get to this code until we finish this loop and we've guessed the password correctly. Then we'll finally get to what the secret message is. So the secret message is hi. So we can't get to this secret message until we get the right password, because this loop will continue going and going and going until they equal. So here it is. It's asking us what the password is. So I'm going to go ahead and put a wrong password that does not equal password123. So what's going to happen when I click enter here is it's going to do this do while loop one time. Now that we've set what user guess is, which is going to be wrong password, it's going to check here. Does the user guess equal password? Does wrong password equal password123? The answer to that is no. So this will be false. But then we're going to negate that false. So now it's going to be true. Anytime the condition of a while loop is true, means that we will jump back and do the code again. So now I'm going to click enter. And you see it's going to ask me again, what's the password? So we're going through the loop again. So let's put another wrong password. It's going to ask me again. I'm going to put the wrong password again and again and again. So now if I put password123, which is the correct password, it's going to tell me what the secret message is and the program's going to finish. So here when we put password123, the user guess becomes password123, and then we jump into this and we check, does password123 equal password123, which is up here? The answer to this is true. We negate it so it becomes false, And anytime the condition of the while is false, then we don't do this code again. So now we finally get out of the while loop and we can print out the secret message is hi.